In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Grok AI responses. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the settings that control Grok's tone and behavior, how to choose the style you want, and how to make those changes stick so every reply feels right for you. Start by opening your Grok account. Once you're in, head to your profile area. You'll typically find it at the top corner of the screen. Click Profile, then go straight into Settings. This is where all the personalization options live, and it's the place you'll come back to anytime you want to tweak how Grok responds. Inside Settings, look for the Customize section and click it. This page is designed to help you shape the way Grok communicates, so take a moment to look around. You'll see a set of options that control things like the overall tone, the level of detail, and how concise or expansive the answers should be. Simply select what you prefer. If you collaborate with others, you might choose a professional tone and structured responses. If you're brainstorming or moving quickly, you might prefer a more casual voice and shorter, punchier replies. There isn't a right or wrong choice here. Pick the combination that best fits how you work. Next, find the field that asks how Grok should behave. This is where you can give a short instruction that acts like a guiding principle for every reply. For example, if you want Grok to get straight to the point, you can write something like direct response. That signals the assistant to skip fluff and deliver clear, actionable answers. You can also phrase this behavior in a way that matches your needs, such as prioritizing clarity over length, using plain language, or mirroring a specific communication style. Keep it concise but specific so Grok knows exactly what you expect. When everything looks good, click Save. This is important because your preferences won't take effect until you confirm them. After saving, your choices will apply to new conversations, shaping the voice and structure of the responses you